Starting a garden for the first time can feel like stepping into unknown territory. Exciting, but a little overwhelming. But here's the thing. Every gardener you look up to started out not knowing a trowel from a tomato. The difference between struggling and thriving. It's all about nailing the basics. So let me walk you through the complete guide on how to start your very first garden, step by step. First up, your space. Before you even think about seeds or tools, take a good look at your yard, patio, or balcony. Spend a day just watching where the sun hits and where the shadows hang out. 6 or more hours of sunshine. That's prime territory for veggies like tomatoes and peppers. Got a shadier spot? Perfect for leafy greens. Remember, matching your plants with your space is half the battle won. Next, let's talk soil. Trust me, soil is way more than just dirt under your feet. Stick your hands in it. Does it feel sandy and gritty, or heavy and sticky, like clay? Sandy soil dries out fast and needs extra compost. Clay holds too much water and benefits from loosening up. Here's a foolproof starter recipe. Mix 1 bucket of compost and 1 bucket of well-rotted manure for every square meter of garden bed. Water it well, about 3 liters per square meter, to help everything blend and awaken those helpful microbes. Once your soil's prepped, picking what to plant suddenly gets fun. Don't try to grow everything. Focus on easy wins. Lettuce, kale, spinach, carrots, radishes. These guys are forgiving and productive. Tomatoes, peppers, and bush beans are classics that do well once things warm up. Choose tried-and-true varieties that are labeled early or disease-resistant for your first run. Success builds confidence, and confidence keeps you coming back. Now, a rookie mistake: overcrowding. Trust me, seeds look tiny, but those plants will spread out. Check the spacing on the seed packet, and if you're unsure, give them a bit more room. More space means healthier plants and less disease. A little airflow does wonders for preventing problems before they start. Let's talk watering. The secret? Water less often, but more deeply. 2 deep sessions a week, about 2 liters per plant, encourages roots to reach down where the moisture lasts. Morning is best, so leaves have time to dry. That keeps your plants happy and disease-free. Here's a game-changer: mulch. Lay down a 5-centimeter layer of straw, dried leaves, or wood chips. You'll keep weeds down, hold in moisture, and your soil life will explode with helpful worms and microbes. It's one of the best things you can do for your plants, hands down. Feeding your plants doesn't have to be complicated. Skip the chemical fertilizers. Instead, mix a tablespoon of seaweed powder into 2 liters of water and feed your plants every couple of weeks. You'll get strong stems, steady growth, and happy, resilient veggies. And when pests show up, as they always do, don't panic. A gentle spray of half a teaspoon of liquid soap in a liter of water takes care of aphids and caterpillars. Spray in the evening to avoid leaf burn. The goal isn't to wipe out every bug, just to keep things balanced. Here's what really makes a difference. Consistency. 10 minutes in the garden each day, pinching off dead leaves, checking for moisture, harvesting what's ready, beats a weekly marathon every time. The more you interact, the more your garden teaches you. And trust me, the first time you harvest your own greens or pick a sun-warmed tomato, you'll never look at store produce the same way again. Gardening is about more than just food. It's about confidence, routine, and a little bit of magic every day. So, that's your roadmap to starting your very first garden. If you're hungry for more tips, real-time updates, and nature-powered garden hacks, hit subscribe to Nature's Blueprint, and share this with anyone who's ready to dig in. Your garden journey starts now.